Okay, hi again. I'm going to talk to you about a few different ways to actually finish your panty. I've showed you some elastic techniques in the other videos, but here's an almost finished panty. I have on the top I serged the elastic on first. You can see that serge stitch. I turned it under and used the 3-step zigzag. And again, this is a beautiful one for swimwear. It's a very high-end technique. So here you see, I should have showed you this first. I serged the elastic, and you could use a smaller stitch. It doesn't really matter. And then I just turned it under like this, and from this side I did the 3-step zigzag, and it folds under really nice like that. And I did that all the way around here in the leg. So I left this kind of unfinished, but this is something for you to look at and think about. Also inside we're going to be putting this little panty liner piece in there, so keep that in mind, and I will show you how to make sure this is all nice and clean and soft. You do not want seams down in here. This piece is a piece in progress also to show you another technique. So you would start by putting the lace on with the serging like this, right? So it's right sides together, and then this would end up flipping back like this. And then you can come over here and do your 3-step zigzag to hold it flat so it won't keep rolling onto the body, or you could just do a regular zigzag and it would look like this in the back. So this one is a different technique, and then I would put like maybe a big lace, this same technique, and put a lace trim up here if you wanted, or do the clear elastic. So there's so many things you can do. All right, so I just kind of wanted to show you these different techniques on the actual panty. Thank you.